Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, we will be learning the use of if statement and if else statement in Java. In this example, we've created a class named Java example. Inside the main method, we define an integer or int variable I equals to 15, and let's have an if statement or condition. If I less than 30, open curly brackets, using system out print ln, it prints you are correct. Now, take a look at the code. The condition inside the if statement, which is I less than 30, evaluates to true. The block of code inside the curly brackets will be executed. Let's see how it works. Let's click the run. Since I is equal to 15 and is 15 is in the less than to 30, the condition is true. Therefore, the statement you are correct will be printed to the console when we run this program. Let's try a different value. You can change 15 to 40. You can change 15 to test different output. Now, since I is equal to 40, let's see if the statement inside will be executed. The condition is false, therefore the statement will not be printed. This shows how the if statement controls what part of the code gets executed depending on the condition. An if statement can be followed by an optional else statement when the condition is false. So let's add else, open curly brackets, using system.out print ln, it prints you are wrong. Let's see how it works. And there you have it. So let's make another example. Let's remove this a little bit. This time, our program will ask a number, and based on the user's input, it will print either a loading message or something different. Let's start our code. First, we import the scanner class from the java.util package. Import java.util.scanner. This allows us to capture input from the user. Inside the main method, we create a scanner object. It called scanner to read user input. Using system get out dot println, we prompt user to type a number, and then string input equals scanner dot next line. The input is captured as a string using scanner dot next line and stored in the variable input. And then let's have our condition. If user input that equals to 143, it prints system.out.println. It prints I love you. Otherwise, it prints you're not mine. Let's run the code how it works. For example, if I type 143, the I love you will be executed. But if I try any other number like 145, you're not mine will be executed. Let's try another number. 146. You're not mine will be executed. And there you have it. It's a great way to practice with this and give it a try with your own ideas. And thank you for watching this video.